Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can log into your credit card account of the Citibank from your PC. So first, you're going to open your preferred web browser, and on the address bar or the search bar, you're going to type in Citi credit card login and press enter. And the first link that you see from Citi.com, you're gonna go below that and click on the sublink, the first sublink of that link. So click on this, sign into your Citi account. Open the link. And once the page loads in, you're gonna type in your user ID, and you're gonna type in your password. And you're gonna click on sign on. Once you click that, maybe there's a two-factor authentications or other security measures that you put on. Once you clear those, you'll be in a main page of your account. From there, you can check how much credit you have accumulated for over a time, over a week or over a month, and you can make those payments, or you can schedule a payment from there. So if this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.